go ahead and jump in there and hold the brake and everything for you. Throw her in neutral.
Okay.
Cool?
Yep.
Yeah, we're good.
I'm kind of stealing their take is that if the Colts don't move from 6 back to 12 with the Bills, they get the third or fourth quarterback at 6 and then get hit for 12 and 22. So the deal would have been very easy for them to get. It is. And I mean, and look at the haul that the Indianapolis Colts with Andrew Luck in question have acquired by moving back from 3 to 6, 6 to 12. They're setting themselves up.
Go ahead and put it back in park. Oh, you put it back in neutral?
It's in park now.
Almost got it. It's in park already. It's in park. Cool deal, man. We'll go hop it back in there, put it in neutral, and they're hooked up. Hold the brake as well when you come down off of that, yeah.
Trading for Tyrod Taylor, the signing of Jim Stanton, you've made the #1 overall pick.
All right, go ahead and turn your wheel as sharp as it go. This way.
This way.
Take your guy and go with him because then.
All right, you go ahead and put it in park real quick. You go ahead and step up.
All right, so here's your report number, 18-03721, 18, that stands for here. All you gotta do is call your insurance company, tell them you're involved in an accident, which you already did, give them that report number, and they can download the traffic crash report number off of our online system. Where's my camera? He's backing out, and he thinks, you know, he goes over, and he tries over. So, yeah.
What you need on Friday.
Right. Good Friday. It's supposed to be Good Friday,
yeah.
right?
Just to let you know, I have my own policy on private property. If I take reports and it's your vehicle's disabled, to me it's reckless off. However, for some reason, and don't ask me why, because I don't know the answer to this, I'm not citing you. Okay. I did look at your driving record. Yeah, I think 691. Right. Stuff happens. There's no damage here. If there was,
stole your house.
yeah. Well, he's got no antifreeze in it.
Well, you just hit it right.
So I'm not citing you. This one in my top 10. I got photos of it.
That's
Oh, so we're traffic guys. We get
Yeah.
into this stuff.
yeah, I was coming to yell at him because he needs to take vacation because he's beating me again this year.
Me?
Yeah.
How is that possible? I take like 3 accidents a day.
Because you're taking 3 a day. I'm getting, dude, I took 4 last week.
Yeah, but you're getting the fatal.
I haven't had anything. I haven't worked
Well, the
on
county stuff.
I haven't had
What
any.
are you doing? Slacking on news or what?
We're not having them.
Larry said he had like 6 or 7 the other night.
You must have had one night.
No,
when I
you
was
said
there.
you both had him or something the same night.
Well, no, I haven't had a ton in a while. I had a 5
Anyways,
one night.
Okay, yeah. I
So,
appreciate that.
you know, you got any questions or anything? I imagine you're going to have to do an insurance claim on that.
Yeah, I mean, I already called him. I already got $500 deductible. I already know that.
Must be soft.
I appreciate you coming.
Well,
to the
you know,
show,
you
though.
are a started driver. You got your CDL.
Right, I mean, I ain't-
Nobody got hurt. There's no damage.
I mean,
I can actually see
I
this
think you
happening.
just hit it just right to actually catch
Yeah,
the
I'm saying
radiator.
catch him.
Yes.
I mean, it's not
But
like
the curb's awful high too. But I see how his point, how he just backed up, and
Right.
decided to go, and
Backed
he just,
up and thought I was.
just to
he
see.
just drove the race and just boom, back down. It's kind of funny.
I came
actually,
down here
but-
to do something for somebody else. I leave
when
there
it
and go
always
right
happens,
home.
when you're always
Yeah, I
helping
was
somebody
coming
else
to
is
take
when it
a girl left her wallet on the bus last night. Money, Social Security card, everything stood in the wallet. She stays right down the street from me, so I come here to get the wallet, do a good deed, and take it home. And
No good deed goes unpunished.
so,
All right, well, good
I
luck.
appreciate
Steve.
it.
All right,
All right,
sure.
thanks a lot. All right. Yeah.
We're looking for that first one driver, man. He's the one that's saying. If I would have to pull that thing up, the whole front bumper was coming off.
Yeah.
I'm saying 21. You're a plus member, correct?
Yes.
This is going to 4, 3, 2, 1.